Hello everyone, Mark here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Now, I haven't been uploading videos lately, and that's a little bit down to what's actually going on in today's times, but also I've not really had the motivation, and I have been doing other projects like making vinyl decals and stuff like that, which we'll probably talk about at the end of the video or maybe in another video. But this video I'm going to be entering Driftomaniacs indoor backflip challenge. So I want to say thank you very much, mate, for setting up these friendly competitions, because it does help everybody keep their mind off of today's situation. So I'm going to be using the WL Toys 979A. I'm going to stand back, set a timer for 1 minute. I'm doing it indoors. This is a perfect opportunity to actually do it because we're in the middle of decorating. So the wife is not going to have a go at me for beating up the kitchen with an RC car. So let's step back and see exactly how many backflips we can do within a minute. Alexa, set a timer for 1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
Oh, is that two? Oh, there we go. Not too sure exactly how many that was, but we're counting that up as we edit the video. So let me just take this into my room. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. Okay, yeah, so that was this video. I'm going to obviously not edit any of this video as such. I'll just put a intro and then upload the video. There's my sexy Skyline R34 there. Such a stunning vehicle. And as I was saying, guys, I've been starting to do vinyl decals and stuff like that, creating my own. I've set up a little Instagram account. You can come check me out if you want. It's cmvinyl.uk, and as you can see, there's some of my logos that I've made and some of the decals and stuff like that. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much, Driftomaniac, for sorting out these fun and friendly competitions. This is my entry, so I will get it uploaded ASAP. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Happy RCing and stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.